Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Realme GT2 versus iQOO 9 SE device. And this is another most requested video asking me to compare both phones side by side regarding the CPU throttling. Let's see friends what will be the overall graph and what will be the highest temperatures that both phones can actually reach during this process of demonstration. So that's what this video is about exactly. And I'll try to show you what is the external RAM capabilities I'm trying to use. And both phones are enabled with the 5GB and 4GB. So maximum capabilities has been enabled, and both are Snapdragon 888 processors. And right now there is no GT mode, there is no monster mode, nothing is enabled while doing this kind of benchmark test. Let me quickly open the CPU throttling test, and these are the settings which I'm trying to use. Same settings between these both phones, 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. Let's find out what will be the overall graph we can actually expect between these both phones, overall graph. And regarding the battery percentage, both phones are having pretty high percentage, 91 and 89. So that's something to be noted as well. That's pretty good. And regarding my room temperature is about 34 degrees, phone temperature is 36 and 35.6. Not bad, very close regarding the temperatures wise. Let's start the test. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually get regarding the performance number. So I'll try to concentrate regarding the performance number and regarding the temperatures and regarding the battery draining as well. How much battery is draining. So all these aspects we'll try to consider while doing this kind of CPU throttling test. So I will be back after exactly 5 minutes of time. Let's find out what's going on in 5 minutes between these both phones. So try to observe the performance numbers. Meanwhile, what's happening between these two devices. I'll be back after 5 minutes of time. So exactly after 7 minutes of time, you can clearly see a side-by-side comparison regarding the graph. So this is how it looks like in the iQOO 9 SE device. Try to look at the throttling. It started to happen after 7 minutes of time exactly. And now it's time to check the temperatures, 42.2 degrees Celsius and 42.6 degrees Celsius. So both phones are exactly maintaining same level of temperatures and same level of performance scores. So try to look at the performance scores as well. So 2,40,000, 2,30,000, somewhere around that. So similar kind of scores we are actually getting between these both phones exactly right now. So right now it's still trying to decrease little by little. And whereas the Realme GT2 was able to maintain around 80%, and in the iQOO 9 SE, it did come close to 70% as well in the iQOO 9 SE. And the performance scores you can see side by side. Again, I'll be back after maybe 13 or 14 minutes of time. Then we can compare both phones, what's going on overall. And try to observe the battery percentage, 87% and 85% between these both phones. Again, I'll be back after 12 and 30 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, exactly we did reach close to the end of the bench CPU throttling test results, and you will be able to see the graph what's going on in the iQOO and SE. After the recent software update, you can compare side by side both phones. So 42 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius, and my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius. So this is what the graph looks like in the iQOO and SE device right now at this moment. And try to compare the performance scores: 3,27,000, 2,58,000 and 2,18,000. So this time the Realme GT2 slightly looks better regarding the overall graph in terms of the CPU total up to 82% and iQOO and SE is 69%. And I'll let you show you exactly the previous scores what the iQOO and SE did receive. Let me show you exactly the previous scores. So this is a CPU throttling graph in the iQOO and SE device. I'm not sure why right now I'm getting this kind of graph, but so it also depends upon the room temperature and everything guys. So you should definitely understand about that. So this used to be the graph in the iQOO and SE device. You can see the graph yellow color. Maybe right now because of the room temperature, now we got to know exactly what's going on in the iQOO and SE device, because my room temperature is pretty high. It's 34 degrees Celsius and it's summertime. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. It's a quick comparison between these both phones. Overall, if you compare side by side, the Realme GT2 slightly looks better regarding the overall throttling and the graph and the percentage as well in this device. In the Realme GT2 smartphone, as you can clearly see, and slightly higher performance in the iQOO and SE, that's a little bit higher performance. So but meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and same level temperatures did reach both phones, 42 degrees Celsius, same temperatures, not bad. So until then, signing off, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.